Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Kenzie and today I will give you guys a demo. It's a demo about a Kodular. So today we're going to make a Kodular and an application. It's about calculator app. So there's a lot inside if you guys can see. More than a calculator. So without further ado, let's start because it's gonna be a very long video. It's not really that long, but the demo is long. So if you guys can see over here, this is the images, there's the plug. So there's a lot of things in here. There's the calculator, there's also square, rectangle. Now, of course, this is called triangle, rhombus, trapeze, basically all kind of stuff, and circle too. So if you guys can see on the blocks, so there's a lot of code in here. So basically on the screen, it's basically show you guys like if this image got clicked, then it will go to that place. So if you guys can see the screen, we have a lot of screen here. So yeah. So if you guys can see, let's go to circle. Let's go to the circle first. So yeah, see. So we don't need to see all of the kind of things in here. Basically, if label area copy text 3.14 times radius text times growth text box radius level so circumference text to 2 plus 3.14 plus text radius dot text parallelogram. See, label or context text to a text box base x text box height. Label circumference text box base text hypotenuse. I don't know that. It's called rectangle. You guys can see over here times two. Basically, this is for the time and two times text box side plus. We'll add it first with cancel rectangle screen one screen two. Oh, this is the on the screen two. It's about the plus the minus. Okay, kali. So Indian. This is the calculator. So if you guys can see, this is the calculator. If you guys can see, it's basically very easy. If this input time and like for example, input one plus input two, input one minus input two, and input one divided by input two, input one times two. So label and blah blah blah. So that's calculator. This is for the square. So the square is side times side, and if it's on the circumference, this is text plus slide, x times four, and the trapeze that you guys can see over here. It's quite complicated. The global pertamaan sisi text box side A times the text box side B. Set label area copy to that global pertamaan sisi x 2.5 x back text box height text. Text box side A plus text box hypotenuse plus text box side B plus the hypotenuse. As for the trapeze, it's quite complicated on trapeze, but lastly is a triangle. The triangle is 2.5 times text box base times text box height, and that's the area for circumference. Circumference text box side text plus text box side. Oh, that's quite a speed run. So let's start to the app. So this is actually the app, guys. So for example, go to the calculator first. So let's say can input like for example 20 and 20 for example. Yeah, you got input 20 and you guys can see on what if I add the plus, what if I add the minuses, it'll be zero. What if I add the divide and times, so forth. So if you guys can see, let's go back again. Square 20, this is on square. If I show 20, we'll show the area circumference. Angle 20, for example 416. Input, and this is the rectangle, calculate area and circumference. Uh, rhombus. I don't really know what's rhombus. 101, 200, 107. So this is the rhombus. Show the calculation. This is about 2,201 to 207, 300, and the area is 20,803, and the circumference is 12,000. So, just finish tracking now. around 30, 30, 40. Wow, we got the full number. So calculate the trapeze to 30, 30, 40, and 100, and calculate the area is 18,000 and the circumference 260. Oh, it's already been 5 minutes. We already go to the square, triangle. Now we go to triangle like 40, eh, 50, 65, and 20. You can see over here, there's 40, 35, 20, and the area is 13,000, and circumference is 40. So this is for, yeah, parallelogram, 30, and 36. So we put the number over there, and we get like area 10,080 and 18,572. Next, we go those. Lastly, we go to the circle. We put the number, for example, 200, and we can calculate it on the circle. Like the area is 2,560, and the circumference is 205, 205.1. So here it is, guys. Thank you so much for listening. Maybe I'm sorry if it's quite fast. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.